guys, it's Jennifer from My Smile again, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I keep my teeth clean with braces as a college student who's always on the go. I'm usually snacking on cookies like this in between classes because I usually don't have much time. As a result, I'm always worried my teeth has food chunks, but I'm going to show you guys how you can go from this to this with the My Smile water flosser. Since the water flosser is cordless and portable, I usually just keep it in my car so that I can freshen up in the bathroom after my meals. A fun addition of this water flosser is that it can also double as a water gun, so I can chase my friends around with it. The flosser also has 3 pressure levels to accommodate all sorts of gums. The water flosser is super convenient because it only just takes a couple minutes, and the thin tip is able to get through all my nooks and crannies in between my braces and my teeth. As you can see, it is way easier to floss your teeth with the water flosser than with the regular floss. The MySmile cordless water flosser's display screen shows temperature, battery, and water pressure mode all at once, making it even easier for the user. The black and rose gold look is also super stylish. Since MySmile's water flosser helps me keep my teeth clean, now I can fully enjoy eating with my friends with no worries.